Hi everyone, this is Asha Murali from Map Academy. Today we are going to learn a little about light, shadow and reflection. So what is light? You may have heard the expression, throw some light on this. What does that mean? That means when light falls on an object, it makes the object visible. So it makes things clearer for us. We cannot see anything in a dark room because there is no light. Light is a form of energy which makes objects visible to us. So what is a shadow? You may have come across glass walls where we can see the other side of the wall. We can see things which are there on the other side of the wall. That is because light passes through the glass wall, and that's how we can see the objects on the other side of the wall. But how about a solid brick wall? We cannot see what is there on the other side of the wall because the brick wall blocks the passage of light. Similarly, some objects like trees, buildings, a cricket bat or a ball or a book, these are objects which do not allow light to pass through them. These are called as opaque objects. So when light falls on an opaque object, it forms a shadow. The shadow is formed on the behind of the object. We all love shades of the tree. So what is a shade of a tree? The tree shade is nothing but the shadow of the tree. So we have learnt about a light and its shadow. What about reflection? So when light falls on some shining surfaces like a mirror or any other polished surface, then the light's direction changes. So what happens is we can see ourselves and the objects around us in the shining surface. So a mirror is said to reflect whatever light is falling on it. That is, it changes the direction of the light, and that's how we are able to see ourselves and the objects near us in the mirror. So let me ask you a question. How does the moon shine on a full moon day? Is it its own light or is it the light of the sun? So moon is not a star, so it doesn't have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. So how does it reflect? It is not a smooth or a shining surface. So how does it reflect the light of the sun? Think over it and search the answers for yourself. Now let us look at an experiment being performed by Satvik, who is a physics enthusiast, on light, shadow and reflection. Thank you.
My name is Satvik and I am studying in Map Academy. I am 6th standard, and today we are going to do a fun experiment on light, shadows and reflection. So today we have a comb, a mirror and a torch. So before we go to our experiment, I want to tell you that opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. So now we can see this cube is an opaque object and it's not allowing light to pass through it. And opaque objects even cast shadows. So now let us go to our experiment. So now, as you can see, the light from the torch is passing through the gaps between the comb, and now it is reflecting, and as you can see, it's casting the same type of shadow over here. Thank you.